Welcome to Crack a Pack. My name is Andrew. Today we're cracking open Innistrad Crimson Vow. Let's get cracking. Our first card today is a wild card, followed by a boar token, and then a mountain for our land. Helana and Elena Partners, which for 2 red-green is a 2/3 legendary creature with first strike and reach. It reads at the beginning of combat on your turn. Put X +1/+1 counters on another target creature you control, where X is Helana and Elena's power. That creature gains haste until end of turn. So this is, it's just +1 counters and creatures. Lots and lots of creatures. And it's a pretty good commander, honestly. I probably would create a Gruul Stompy kind of deck with this that incidentally has counters, or maybe even is really focused on counters. But I think this could be a interesting commander, especially since it gives whatever creature puts the counters on haste. So you could just be dropping bomb after bomb creature and giving them haste along with the little bit of pump from however big you have Helana and Elena. So I like it. I think I might try to brew that up. If you have any recommendations for that, let me know in the comments below. Alluring Suitor, which transforms into Deadly Dancer. Fleeting Spirit. Lantern of the Lost. Binding Geist, which transforms into Spectral Binding. Apprentice Sharpshooter. Snarling Wolf. Belligerent Guest. Piercing Light. Wanderlight Spirit. Unhallowed Phalanx. Dreadlight Monstrosity, Sigarda's Imprisonment, and Blood Fountain to round out the pack. Now today's Pack 1 Pick 1. Probably no surprise, I'm going to pick Helana and Elena Partners. This reads Gruul Stompy. It reads lots of creatures and pumping them up and just turning them sideways. Don't have a whole lot more to say because this is just a good card that does it tells you exactly how you want to draft. It wants you to be drafting creatures, make them hasty, turn them sideways. So there are other good cards in this pack, and if you have a different pick one than me, let me know in the comments below. But that's all for today, so thank you for cracking along with me. Be sure to check back tomorrow to crack open another pack.